right, guys, we're climbing Donner's Pass.
Tahoe, Lake Tahoe, right there.
Lake Tahoe. Not getting too good of a shot from over here of that.
That is actually Donner's Lake.
Oh, yep, Donner Lake. We are close to Lake Tahoe, though. Rest area in 4 miles. Petey's got to go pee-pee. Upstate California is so pretty.
You just hang in there, little twat. Come here, people.
Petey, you're in California, P.
Come on.
Say, West Coast. Donner Lake, next exit.
What do you think, Peter? You like what you see over there?
Rock. Big trees.
Look at that. We're going to be up on the cliff right there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if they pulled wagons and horses over this and got trapped up here?
Before there was pavement, too.
Yeah, before there was paper.
They were in the rough and ruggedness.
Oh, man. Just get coming down this one, 20,000 pounds. Down there. Transmission is so hated this. That light is not going off.
Oh, man. They got a Volvo dealer over here? Go ahead and switch us out while we're over here.
And then you know what'll happen to me? I have to come back and get this truck. And it'll be winter time, man, and I'll get a truck. Just needed to hold on. Don't tell those clowns.
Climbing, climbing, climbing. Peace. Peace. You enjoying the scenery, Peace? Road dog. Road dog. Peace. Hey, Peace. Hey, Peace. You gonna go pee pee poo poo? Yep. Say I poop in all the states. Mom and Dad just collect shot glasses and magnets.